Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back to the new video of parallel lines and angles. Today we are going to do part 3 of parallel lines and angles. So, in the previous part 1, we have explained all the key terms of parallel lines and angles. After that, we have gone through all the exercises in the second video. Key terms were explained in the first video. The second video, part 2, written over here. All these exercises of question number 5, question number 6 and question number 7 were explained. Some of the question number 8 was also explained in part 2. Now remaining questions I'll solve in this video. So let us begin from question number 8E, where we have stopped in our last video. So let us begin with this. In question number 8E, a pair of parallel lines given, and A and 2A minus 30 are two angles which are on the opposite sides of the transversal. They are said to be alternate angles. So we know in parallel condition the alternate angles are equal. So we can write A is equal to 2A minus 30. In the region we can write being alternate angle. Alternate angles, and by solving this equation we'll get the value of A. A will be on the left hand side, sign change, minus 30 will remain in its own side, that is right hand side. As a result we will get minus A is equal to minus 30, where when we will divide both the side by minus, this minus converts into plus. So for question number 8E, our answer is A is equal to 30 degree. Similarly, moving to the next question, question number 8F, same thing is given over here. This is the question number 8F. 2A and X is there in its vertically opposite angle form. See, two lines are crossing each other. So angles which are formed on the opposite direction are called vertically opposite angle. So here we can say 2A is equal to X. 2A is equal to X. So this X will be equal to 2A, and the region we can easily write. What is the region for this? Being vertically opposite angle, VOA, vertically opposite angle. So here when we will get X is equal to 2A, this 2A will be equal to this 3A minus 10. 2A will be equal to 3A minus 10, and the region that you will write is being alternate angle. Being alternate angles. And if you'll solve this, you'll get the value of A. Let us go down to the next question now. Question number 8. Question number 8Z. Question number 8G. We can see this x plus 40 and 2x are in its alternate form. One is on the one side of the transversal, another side of the transversal, opposite side of the transversal, both interior. So x plus 40 is equal to 2x. Here I am going to solve question number 8G. For question number 8G, we can write x plus 40 is equal to 2x. X plus 40 is equal to 2x, that is alternate angle, being alternate angles. Similarly, now when 2x will come this side, it will become x minus 2x is equal to 40 will go to right hand side, becomes minus 40. All the alphabet on the left and numbers on the right. I'm keeping to find out the value of x. So this is minus x is equal to minus 40. At the end, we can cross this minus on both sides, and x is equal to 40 will be our answer for question number 8G. Now we have to find out the value of a. So we know whatever the value will come for 2x, that will be the value of a. So again, we know this 2x is equal to a. Why? Being vertically opposite angle, VOA in short form we can write. Now the value of x everybody knows. So 2 multiplied by x is 40, that is equal to a. So 2 into 40 gives us 80 degree. So the value of a is 80 degree. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 8H. In 8H you see it's a straight line. 130 is there, x is here. In a straight line we know the sum of the angles will become 180 degree. So we can write for question number 8H over here. We can do and write question number 8H. X plus, here I'll make a line, x plus 130 degree is equal to 180. Region you all can write this. The region will be straight angle, being straight line or straight angle. Straight angle. The value of x will come 180 degree minus 130 degree. That is equal to 50 degree. So from here we got the value of x. The value of x will be equal to the value of a, corresponding angles. One interior, one exterior on the same side of the parallelogram. Parallel lines. Same side of the transversal, I mean to say that. So again, now we can write x is equal to a being corresponding angle. CURRES PONDING being corresponding angle, and where we can write 50 degree is equal to a. The value of a is also clear from here, question number 8H. Now moving to the last question of question number 8, that is I, 8I. Here you see a and x are in its alternate form. If you remove this middle one, you'll see a and x are in its alternate form, but they are not in number form. So first you will get the value of a from these two parallel lines, this and this. From this you see opposite C shape over here. So a and 100 is co-interior angles. So we can write for question number 8I. Here I'll solve question number 8I. So a plus 100 degree is equal to 180 degree. This is being co-interior angle. Co-interior. Being co-interior angle. Co-interior angle sum is always supplementary. So A will be equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. That is equal to A is equal to 80 degree. If A is 80, easily we can get X also because it is in Z shape. This line is parallel to this line. Transversal to one side this is and on other side is this, both interiors. So those all are alternate. So we can write again, and then a is equal to x, whereas the value of a just now we have found, that is 80 degree. 80 degree is equal to x. So the angle x will be equal to 80 degree for question number 8I. Now let us move to the next question, that is question number 9. Question number 9. Let us see what is the question given over here. Uh, CD is parallel to SR and a transversal is given DT. DT is transversal given. Now this A has a relationship with this angle which we don't know, and we know this angle that is equal to 3A. So first let us find this angle, what it is actually equal to. So A and this DRS will be also equal to A, being alternate angle. You can see the jet shape transversal cut. One side of this transversal has this angle, another side of the transversal has this angle. So this way is going to be A, being alternate angle. So you can write here like angle DRS is equal to A, being alternate angle, being alternate angle, being alternate angle. So DRS will be equal to A. Then we can write this A plus 3A is equal to 180. How? Because it is a straight line. You can see in a straight line the sum of the angles will be equal to 180 degree. So after that this is 9A. So after that now we can write here A plus 3A is equal to 180 degree. What is going to be the region? The region is going to be being straight angle. So hence we will get 4A is equal to 180 degree and A will be equal to 180 divided by 4. That gives us 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. The value of A comes 45 degree. And if we are asked to find out the value of 3A also, we can find it by multiplying it by A, 3 into 45. But the question has asked us to find out the value of A only, A, B, C and D, not 3A, 3B. So now coming to the next question, that is question number 8B, 9B. Question number 9B I'll solve over here. So here's AB is parallel to CE and EF is parallel to CD. So from here if we will cover this part, we will get this 40 is equal to A, being alternate angle. 40 and A are in its alternate shape. Jet shape can be seen over here. So you can write A is equal to 40 degree here, HERE here, or solution you can write here A is equal to 40 degree, being alternate angle, being alternate angle. You will write it in full form. I am writing it in short form. Now again for another angle B. So if you'll cover this part, this whole part, you'll see the relationship between these two angles. It is in C shape and both are interior. One side of the transversal, interior. These two are said to be co-interior angles. So we can write B plus 120 degree is equal to 180, being co-interior angle, being co-interior, being co-interior angle, and the value of B will come 180 minus 120 degree, that is equal to 60 degree. Hence we have solved question number 9B also. Now talking about 9C. Question number 9C. Question number 9C, we have number over here. From here we will start. This 105 has direct relationship with B. One exterior, one interior. This is two parallel lines. So B is equal to 105 directly we can write. Here 9C, we can write B is equal to 105. The region will be being corresponding angle. Corresponding. Okay. After that, we need to see other. B is equal to 105. After that, region you will write over here. After that we will find A plus B is equal to 180 degree, co-interior angles. A plus B is equal to 180 degree, where the value of B already we know 105. Here the region you will write co-interior. The value of B we know, so A plus 105 is equal to 180 degree, whereas the value of A will come 180 minus 105, that is equal to 75 degree. Value of A is also clear now. If value of A comes, A is directly related to C. One interior, one exterior. For a parallel line, this and this. So A is equal to C, you can write. A is equal to C is equal to 75 degree. Region you can write corresponding angles. Again, C is directly relationship is having directly relation with D. So C is equal to D is equal to 75 degree. 75 degree. Again, the region will be same, being corresponding angle. Hence, we have solved question number 9A, B and C. Coming to 9D. Question number 9D. The figure is clear to you. This A will become 70, being vertically opposite angle. It's opposite to this. Similarly, this is 60 degree. This is B degree. This is C degree. We will see over here if this A comes 70. How can we find out the value of other angles? Now over here we see this is 70 and this is 70, and this angle is going to be, for example, another example you can take, another letter you can take like E. So E will be equal to how much? I'll just drop and show you it in detail. We have to take this one, this angle also as helping angle. This falls in a straight line, eh? If this is 70, this is gonna be 110, because it is in a straight line. If it is in a straight line, the sum of this angle and this angle should be equal to 180. So if this is 70, this should be 110, and if this is 70, this vertically opposite angle A should be equal to 70 degree. Now we have got this A also, we have got 110 also. Now we are going to get more like this angle. So if this is 110, this is co-interior now. For co-interior, if this is 110 and this is A, so this A and this place is in its alternate form. So this will be also equal to A, being alternate angle, that will be equal to 70 degree. So if this is 70, this is 60, this should be how much? It is a straight line. If this is 70, this is 60, then this B will be equal to 50 degree. Sum of angles in a straight line. B plus 60 plus 70 is equal to 180 you will do, and you'll get it 180. B plus 70 plus 60 plus 70 is equal to 180, and B you will get 50 by solving the equation. If you'll get B as 50, the vertically opposite angle is C, that will be also equal to 50. And if C is 50, A is 70, then this is sum of angles of a triangle. A plus C plus D is equal to 180, where you will get the value of D, that will be equal to 60 degree. Another way also you can find, if this is 60 degree, it is corresponding angle to A, and this 60. D is corresponding angle to 60. We can write directly D is equal to 60 degree. So this is how it is solved. Use less space, that is why I have explained the question only. I didn't explain everything. I didn't do the solution. I explained the process only. Coming to this question, question number E. Question number E, 50 over here it is given. If this is 50, it has direct relationship with B as a corresponding angle. B will be also equal to 50, being corresponding angle. If you will get B as 50 degree, this C is also going to be 50 degree, because C and B are corresponding to each other. The lines are parallel over here. If the lines are parallel, one exterior, one interior on the same side of the transversal are said to be corresponding angle. So at once we will get the value of B and C. B is equal to 50, being corresponding angle. Then after B is equal to C is equal to 50 being corresponding angle. Once you will get the value of this, we can get the value of A and A also by the help of 50. A plus 50, when you will do it, will become 180 degree. Both are co-interior. See, these and these lines are parallel. These all are co-interior angles. So A plus 50 is equal to 180 degree, whereas A will be equal to 180 minus 50, that is equal to 130 degree. So here I am leaving this last question for you to do. For you to do. That is question number 9F. Other till question number 9 all I have explained. Now in my next video I'll be explaining question number 10 and 11. So uh, this much for today. I would like to tell you this much for today. Other things we will do it in our next video.
Okay.
Hmm.
अब कोई भी वीडियो 1 घंटा का बनाए
नहीं
बनाइए ना एक दो एक और वीडियो बनाइए ना दो